Teacher, why did you write down numbers 0 to 9 on the whiteboard? I've learned these numbers long time ago.
Because I am going to teach you something related to these numbers.
Is it? I am very curious. Please tell me now.
Turbo Girl, do you know that there are two types of numbers called even number and odd number? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are called even numbers, while 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are called odd numbers.
Teacher, are you aware that an odd number always follows an even number, and an even number except 0 also follows an odd number? Like after even number 6 is odd number 7, and after odd number 7 is even number 8? Sounds interesting. These numbers appear in an alternate way.
Clever girl. Now tell me what numbers are even and what numbers are odd among the numbers from 10 to 19.
10, 12, 14, 16, 18 are even numbers, and 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 are odd numbers.
Good. What about numbers from 20 to 29?
20, 22, 24, 26, 28 are even numbers, and 21, 23, 25, 27, 29 are odd numbers.
Very good. What have you noticed from this table?
Let me see. The numbers in column A have ones digit 0. The numbers in column C have ones digit 2. The numbers in column E have ones digit 4. The numbers in column G have ones digit 6. The numbers in column I have ones digit 8. They are all even numbers.
Wow, excellent, Turbo Girl. You are very observant. A number with ones digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is called even number. What about odd numbers, Turbo Girl?
From this table, I can see that these numbers with ones digit 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are odd numbers. So an odd number is a number with ones digit 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Am I right, teacher?
Yes, Turbo Girl. Now tell me which of the given numbers are even numbers.
Let me see. The ones digit of 14 is 4. The ones digit of 220 is 0. The ones digit of 26 is 6. And the ones digit of 118 is 8. The numbers with ones digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 are called even numbers. So they are all even numbers.
Very good, Turbo Girl. What about the remaining numbers?
The ones digit of 4217 is 7. The ones digit of 515 is 5. And the ones digit of 39 is 9. The numbers with ones digit 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are called odd numbers. So these numbers are odd numbers.
That's correct, Turbo Girl. Now can you give me 2 even numbers and 2 odd numbers?
Easy. 124 and 52 are 2 even numbers. 159 and 431 are 2 odd numbers.
Now, Turbo Girl, can you add up 2 even numbers and see if their sum is still an even number?
Okay. 124 plus 52 equals 176. The answer is 176. 176 has ones digit 6. Even number again.
Good observation, Turbo Girl. In fact, 2 even numbers, when they are added together, will give you another even number.
Is it true for odd numbers too? I mean, when we add up 2 odd numbers, will I still get an odd number?
Good question, Turbo Girl. Why don't you try to add up two odd numbers, 159 and 431, and see if it is true?
Okay, 159 plus 431 equals 590. 590 has ones digit 0, so it is an even number, not an odd number. Teacher, it's interesting. When we have two odd numbers added together, we would still get an even number.
Well said, clever girl. Let us go on to the activity. Look at these 5 baskets of red delicious apples. I have 4 apples in the first basket, 8 apples in the second basket, 12 apples in the third basket, 20 apples in the fifth basket. It is known that the number of apples in each of these 5 baskets form a number sequence. Turbo Girl, guess how many apples there are in the fourth basket?
Let me see. 4 apples in the first basket, 8 apples in the second basket, and 12 apples in the third basket. The numbers of apples in each of these 3 baskets differ by 4. Thus, the fourth basket should have 4 apples more than the third basket. 12 plus 4 equals 16. So there are 16 apples in the fourth basket.
Very good, Turbo Girl. As you can see, you have just counted by 4. Have you noticed that all the 5 numbers are even numbers? So, these 5 numbers make an even number sequence.
I see, teacher. Any other question for me to try?
Okay, look at this question. Can you find the missing number in this even number sequence?
That's not difficult. From 6 to 22, it is counting on by 16. To check again, from 54 to 70, counting on by 16 too. So, this even number sequence requires us to count on by 16. 16 after 22 is 38. So the missing number is 38.
Superb, Turbo Girl. Now, do you think you can fill the blank in this number sequence? In this number sequence, all the numbers are odd numbers. So, it is an odd number sequence.
Again, I will look at the numbers 11 and 19 and see that it is counting on by 8. Then, I look at the numbers 35 and 43, count on by 8 too. Therefore, the missing number is 19 plus 8 equals 27.
Well done, Turbo Girl. Turbo Girl, do you know how to tell even and odd numbers now?
Yes, teacher. I know that an even number always has ones digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. All other numbers are known as odd numbers.
Very good. Let me give you another rule that will help you recognize even and odd numbers. Let us look at this number sequence. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Look at the ones digit of these numbers. Is 2 divisible by 2?
2 times 1 equals 2. So 2 is divisible by 2.
Is 4 divisible by 2?
4 is a multiple of 2, so it is divisible by 2.
What about 6 and 8? Are they divisible by 2?
6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Both of them don't have remainder when divided by 2. So they all are divisible by 2.
And 0 in 20?
0 is divisible by 2 as 2 times 0 equals 0.
That's correct. You can see that the ones digits of these even numbers are divisible by 2.
So if ones digit of a number is divisible by 2, this number is an even number. If not, it must be an odd number.
Well said, Turbo Girl. Do you think these numbers are even numbers? 146, 168, 180.
Let me see. In 146, the ones digit 6 is divisible by 2. In 168, the ones digit 8 is divisible by 2. In 180, the last digit 0 is divisible by 2. Yes, all the 3 numbers are even numbers.
Very good. You are able to recognize all even numbers now, from a 1-digit to even a 4-digit number. Just follow the rule we have learnt. Now tell me if these three numbers, 325, 423, and 441 are even numbers.
Looking at the last digit. In 325, the ones digit 5 is not divisible by 2. In 423, the ones digit 3 is not divisible by 2. In 441, the ones digit 1 is not divisible by 2. So the three numbers are not even but odd numbers.
You have done a good job in recognizing even and odd numbers. Keep it up! Turbo Girl, now you are able to recognize even and odd numbers.
Yes, teacher. I know that a number with ones digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is an even number, and a number with ones digit 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 is an odd number. I also have learned how to fill in the missing numbers given an even number sequence or an odd number sequence.
What else, Turbo Girl?
If the ones digit of a given number is divisible by 2, this given number is even, otherwise it is odd. For example, the ones digit 8 in number 2878 is divisible by 2, so 2878 is an even number.
Very good, Turbo Girl. See you at the next lesson.